well, so this time we haven't failed. It's easy, quick job. This one was leaking oil everywhere down here, all these areas, and the head cover gasket was plastified and was cracked everywhere. No wonder I'm just wondering how it leaked only that in these places. So we replaced that one quick 16 pounds and half an hour, easy peasy, job done. It's pretty much straightforward process. You have to remove all the screws, obviously. You have to take this cover off. There is the coil pack there. Is one piece, comes all together. I forgot to hit the record button on the camera when we move it, but anyway, it's easy and cheap, and you can change the whole thing, because with the leaking, especially on this one, because the manifold is up from here, the exhaust manifold. When the cover is leaking, the gasket is leaking, it's gonna drip oil on the exhaust manifold, it's gonna heat up, burn, it's gonna smell inside the car, it's gonna look bad anyway. So yeah, easy job to do. Now I think this one is next. I'm still not decided with the wheels, but nah, we'll see. I think they will go gloss black with yellow calipers. I don't know, we'll see.
He's got 2/3 round for that in that colour. Shoots a fly out, shouldn't it? 2/3 round. You're right, you're right. Press it, someone. 8 stamps. There we go, well played. 2/3 round, worth that. A little bit more. 8 stamps, best short check, good grade, little thing. Love the colour. 2 big, 2 for around that border's for a little 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4.
Bye bye.
24, 25, 25. Take a 50 now, yes sir, 25. 25, 25, 25, 25.
Wow, we're still not on sale.
25, 1, 25, 20, 25, 50.
Retails for $4,000 and there's like 4095 at the best. Not really. Let's hope we can get this one, which is the Hyundai, which this one I'm interested more in it. 2750.
55,000 miles on that for a couple of services as well. Full marks on the short check though. V5 MOT until January as well, given. Again, not a bad looking example whatsoever. Good news in the car engine. £2,200, get this sustainable P 22, 22, 22. Look at those miles engine and £2,200. At 22, 22, big, there we go, thank you. At 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, 23.
Nope.
Keep it going, please.
Too much.
2300 pound. Couple of services, full marks on the short check. 55,000 warranty miles over.
Retail is not for 175. Retail is 3995.
1 bit each. Who's got a 50 for them? 23, 50 for 2,400 pound. 24. Holding it for the land on the fail engine. 2,400 pound provisional. Going with 2,400
provisional. Having a laugh. So we're back with the Vauxhall project with the Astra. It does need a clutch, so we're gonna do a clutch on it. We never did this before. It was a spontaneous idea. We decided on the last second because we were using the lift today for just to do a full check on it to get it ready for the MOT. So we were like, we should know, you know what? We should try to do the clutch ourselves to see if we are able to do it. Although it already looks too much work to do. But anyway, we'll see how we'll end up. I'll just check it on the time lapse and stay with us. Don't expect me to give me any indications or what to do and how to do because, as I said, we have no clue. guys, we're just on the final stages on the Alfa. I just repainted the wheels. I'll show them to you later. As you can see, the Vauxhall Astra clutch success finally is done. It's something we will not do again. Yeah. And I just wanted to show you how to quickly restore your headlights without a polisher and stuff like that. I find that way to be a bit, I don't know, time consuming, and most of the times doesn't get the result you want. So I have my way, which means sanding and clear coat after. This way will be more protected, will look more better, more clear, and yeah. So what I usually do first step is going either 800 grit if they're not too bad. If they are, let's say, medium to worse, we can go up to like 400, 600. I will do 600, then 800, then apply the lacquer. So yeah, what we have to do now, like this one on this side here, as you can see, it's fully cloudy. So yeah, you can see how it needs to be after it's finished. So this one has been sanded with 600 wet sand, then went with 800 wet sand. Then over this we just apply lacquer. Simple as that. And it can take as quick as, I don't know, maybe sometimes less than half an hour. And as I said, they will be really clear and nice, good looking. So yeah, let's get going with this one to sand it down. Always don't forget to protect your paint. So yeah, always use like masking tape and stuff like that to protect the paint, because especially when this is a paint you don't want to break it down, because it will be pain in the ass to make it back. Although you can add a bit of a lacquer, but it's not always, it's not the best idea to do that. Okay, so next step now, we got the ultra clear coat, and we're gonna do like a bit of a dusting coat. Will still be looking a bit hazy and cloudy. Don't be scared, it's gonna clear up. Okay, so my GoPro is keeps turning off because becoming too hot. Right, so 10 minutes passed. Now we're gonna go with a more heavier coat all over, like that. We're gonna leave that one to dry up, and if they look good, we're gonna leave them like that. If not, we can do a third coat as well. So yeah, now it's still will be looking a bit hazed until the lacquer settles and dries up, but definitely looks way much better than it used to be. So yeah, this is the easiest and quickest way to clear your headlights. Alright guys, so it's been quite the week. It's been quite busy in getting cars ready, not on sales, as usual. But yeah, everything is nearly finished now. We still have like 3 cars actually, but not too many things left to be done on it, so it should be done within the next 2 days, which will be Monday and Tuesday. Then we can relax. I'm joking. You'll never be relaxed when you're dealing with cars. That's obvious. I already find it out after a year of trading now. Yeah, you'll never be relaxed when trading cars. So, what did happen this week? Well, as you saw, we sorted out the clutch on Mr. Vauxhall here. Now it's been like this because we have to replace the brakes, but they weren't in stock, so we're gonna get them Monday. We're gonna do the brakes because it needs to go to an MOT, so it will not pass the MOT with those disc brakes, or they will come as an advisory. So we don't want advisory on our cars, we just want them to be advisory free. So yeah, the iX35 finally starting to looking like a car. I just came back from the workshop, from the paint shop. The paint work is good. The match is not that bad, although looks really bad on the camera. It's not that bad. Yeah, I still have to polish this part here to finish it up, because this was the deal. You painted it, I'll just finish it up. Alfa Romeo looks amazing. Really, really, really like this car, to be honest. Really loved it. So the headlights are done, nice and clear now. The paintwork is amazing. The paintwork is bloody amazing. Yeah, I would like to paint all my cars in this color. Although it's a red, but it's so bloody nice looking. It's got this like it's dusty now already, but it's got this sparkle thing, which I don't know how to say it, but really nice car, this one. Someone will be really happy with this car, and let's hope it will sell soon. Although we don't have too much money in it, but there are good profits, so we are hoping to take the profits out. This is what you need to do. You have to get the profits out. Yeah, and I have the seat here. We had an inquiry today for it, but the gentleman said he's gonna try to come by tomorrow, but he said most likely Monday, but he will try to make it tomorrow, so I just had it ready for him. Let's hope he's gonna sell good profits in this one, about 3.5 grand on gross profits, which will leave us with about 2.5 maybe in our pockets. Yeah, it's been a good buy. It's been advertised for 2 weeks now. It didn't have a expected number of views and stuff like that, but it's an automatic, it's a diesel, it's a 6.5 grand, so it's not exactly the type of cars people are looking to buy at the moment. And if you look around the yard, so what do we have here? We have the Minis, we have the Peugeot, we have my old girl, we got the Astra, we got the X35, we have the Alfa, the Polo, the Sandero, and the Qashqai. The bloody sad sold. Finally, it's sold. We had that car in stock for 7 months. Actually, it's been bought on the end of December 2021, because we really smashed it in December. We sold all the cars we had in stock, so we're just trying to get more stock back in. Guess what? It's been a mistake, a really bad mistake, to get that Seat Toledo in stock. Really bad. I don't know why it took so long to sell, but it finally sold yesterday to a lady. She loved the car from the beginning. It was a lovely car. Lovely car. He didn't need anything. We did 4 new tires on it. We had a Campbell done, servicing, and everything was nearly new on it, So yeah, she loved it straight away. They bought it. We made the deal on 24 months warranty as well, which made me another 200 pounds. From there, it is sold for 5,185. And the final profits on it, there were 267 pounds. Yep. at least we got the money back out of it. It is what it is. So yeah, I always said, it's never easy when you sell cars. So yeah, this will be everything for this week. I did promise that I'll make more videos. I haven't, because this bloody GoPro overheats and just turns off all the time when it's the most important bit of the video or stuff like that. So yeah, at least I have an excuse this time. Take care and see you next time.